cynhyrchu ystod o gigoedd, pysgod a chaws wedi ei fygu mewn modd traddodiadol mae Mountains Smokery, sydd wedi ei leoli ar lannau'r wisg yng Nghrig Hywel. Wrth liw'r cwmni mae Jonathan a Joe Carthew, ac maen nhw wedi arbenigo mewn gwerthu'n uniongyrchol i gwsmeriaid drwy'r post. Ond mae'r modd maen nhw'n cyrraedd eu marchnad wedi newid yn sylweddol yn y 19 mlynedd ers sefydlu'r cwmni.
We are a very high value product and we're not volume producers, so we've really directed our interests in developing the mail order side of our business. And as websites have become better and better, they've become a better and better passport for us to take our produce outside of our locality. Our first website was at least 12 years ago, if not 15 years ago, and it was literally just a holding page. We then developed a much better website that we could actually, people could order online on, and then we developed the back of the website to become our mail order system. When we had our first online sales website, that had to be a bespoke system, so it was very expensive, and it was wonderful and worked really well from a management perspective. But it turned out that the search engines like Google just saw it as a giant database, and we just could not optimise the site so that people could find us by doing a search.
2 mlynedd yn ôl fe ddatblygodd y cwmni safle gwe newydd oedd yn fwy addas ar gyfer peiriannau chwilio'r we, a chanlyniad y buddsoddiad a'r datblygiad parhaol hyn yn y we yw twf cyson yn ei gwerthiant.
Year on year, we've taken more and more online sales. We've definitely seen another 20% increase this year on last year, and a lot of that is to do with us developing the website so that it's easier and easier to use, and that's where we've taken a lot of advice, looking at our Google Analytics, looking where people are falling off the site and getting them through the checkout.
Ochr yn ochr â'i gwefan, mae Mountains Smokery hefyd wedi dechrau hyrwyddo'r busnes a'r cynnyrch drwy ddefnyddio cyfryngau cymdeithasol.
The social media gives you a slightly less formal way of sharing who you are and what you mean and the things that you're interested in. I think it's another lovely way of showing a profile of ourselves as a business. And last week we were delivering to the Millennium Stadium, so we put up a series of pictures of Jonathan delivering the smoked halibut and smoked salmon. We've got an offer, we've got what we've been up to, we've got the recipes, serving suggestions. I think one of the things that we've really learned very recently about social media in particular is that you need to have a strategy, you need to have joined up thinking. We need to become more canny about driving those people back to our website and making them into customers. Over the years we've done quite a lot of training with various people, either in-house or on courses. I would say that it's very useful to go on an online marketing course, for instance, or a social media, short course, because it gives you an overview and you sit somewhere with other small businesses who maybe ask questions that you hadn't thought of. We've also worked quite closely having in-house training. We find that very useful because it allows us to go into the minutiae that you can't when there are other people there. So having in-house training is a very useful way we've found of creating if you like, a strategy or a policy that we're all going to follow and share.
Joe sy wedi arwain defnydd y cwmni o farchnata digidol tan nawr, ond mae hyfforddiant diweddar wedi ysbrydoli Jonathan I gymryd rhan hefyd.
Yeah, on my little Facebook course where I fired off my first Facebook, we managed to get 800 or nearly 900 viewings in the first 15 hours.
Actually, we have had, as a result of that one post, 23 links through to our website. Now that Jonathan sees its value, thanks to the training he's had, it's a much more comfortable thing to be doing. It doesn't feel as if I'm wasting valuable business time doing it. It's an integral part of our marketing now.
Gan edrych i'r dyfodol, mae Jonathan a Joe yn gweld marchnata digidol fel rhan hanfodol o strategaeth y cwmni I dyfu ac ehangu'r farchnad.
And the way we can make our living and grow and everything else is by hitting the individuals. And the cheapest and easiest way to do that is with social media and the internet.
Our most recent big development plan, is that we're in the process of making our website mobile phone friendly. The reason that we need to do this is that we've found that we've got between 30 and 40% more traffic coming from the internet via mobile phone and smartphones. And so developing our website for mobile phones is probably money better spent than maybe on huge amount of PR.
Mae rhyngrwyd yn parhau I newid y modd mae pobl yn siopa ac yn darganfod cynnyrch bwyd a diod newydd. I'r Black Mountains Smokery, mae wedi meddwl bod y darn bach yma o Gymru ar gael i'r holl fyd.
Last Christmas we took orders from 78 different countries for delivery to family and friends in and around the UK. And you know, that is an amazing power for a small company.